Every week of the World Cup, we're going to pick a country and we're going to try to feature a signature food from that country.
We're at Mod Spuds, Angie Branca's latest culinary venture at Broad and South Streets, where it's all about the loaded jacket potato.
The first time I tried this was in Scotland. I studied there, and this is how I survived my university days.
The jacket is the skin. That's crispy. The inside is light and fluffy, and whoa, is it loaded.
This has got to weigh like a pound and a half. This is hearty, right?
Branca's Kampar Philly is a two-time James Beard-nominated Malaysian restaurant in Bella Vista. It was damaged in a fire last year, but the team stayed together while they rebuild.
We've been doing pop-ups for the whole year all over the city, and this was the pop-up that went viral.
So they just opened a permanent spot. Each spud has its own flavor and flair. There's the classic British jacket.
Baked beans. So
very British.
Very British with chili con carne on it. So that is the classic.
If you miss her menu at Kampar, try the Malaysian spud.
I have to make rendang here. Rendang is my braised beef in coconut cream that everyone loves. So we put that on a potato.
Oh my gosh. This is so good.
There's a Philly cheesesteak and a Mexican spud.
For the World Cup, I'm doing something really, really fun and really special. Our general contractor who is rebuilding Kampar, he's Croatian.
That's Marko Dundovic. He's naturally giddy over the World Cup.
When the Croatian team takes the field, what are you going to feel?
I'm probably going to have chills. There is truly nothing bigger than soccer. Entire country stops. It's a religion. It truly is.
Marko is from Dalmatia, which sits right on the Adriatic Sea.
Fishermen would come in early in the morning with a little old and a ring, and the ladies would go out, just get a couple pounds of fish.
He taught Angie to make a family favorite, brudet, a Croatian seafood stew.
I'm going to have my first brudet today.
Okay.
It starts with onions sautéed in olive oil. Add garlic, fresh parsley, and white wine.
You have here crushed tomato.
Now add the fish. Use whatever's fresh.
I have two kinds of fish. We have Chilean sea bass and we have monkfish. Fresh squid, you want the tentacles and the rings, and prawns or shrimps. I like the big, nice ones. We have fresh cherry stone clams there and beautiful mussels.
Those mussels don't go in until the end, but cover the rest with fish bone broth.
How long do you think it takes, like, once you start to get it in the pot?
15 minutes.
15?
Yeah, that's it. It's so simple.
That's crazy.
Does it smell like home right now?
Here it comes.
Right? Okay, ready?
There we go.
Here we go.
Angie piles that brudet onto her jacket potato.
Authentic Croatian seafood on top of a British-style loaded jacket potato made by a Malaysian chef.
As they say in Croatia,
Prijatno.
Prijatno.
to a taste of Croatia on South Street.
Oh my goodness, that is awesome.